This is Matt and this will be a video on how to download Microsoft Excel. So we are right here on the main download page. This is actually for Microsoft 365. You can see right here on microsoft.com/microsoft-365/download-office. So you don't need to memorize that URL or type it in from the video. It will be in the link in the video description to make it easy for you to just click that link and wind up here. You don't need to search for anything. So we have this Microsoft 365 downloads page. So what you will get here, you'll get Word, you'll get Excel, and you'll also get PowerPoint as well. So we're not downloading it individually here, we're getting the full Office. So you can get the Windows version here or the Mac OS version. So two different versions. They have, of course, have it on Mac OS for quite a long while now. So I'm actually on Mac OS, so I will click this version. If you're on Windows, obviously you'll go for this version right here. So we click on download for Mac OS, and just like that, you see the icon fly up to show that that has been downloaded on the Mac. Now I'm on Google Chrome, so all of the downloaded files and folders go into the downloads folder. Depending on what browser you're on, you will find the installer wherever your browser saves its downloaded files. So hopefully you've found this video on how to find and download Microsoft Excel and the full Microsoft 365, formerly Office 365 suite useful. If you found this video helpful, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just